Welcome to MCCT, Microcrawler Capability Test. That's where we test and compare the driving performance and capability of micro trucks and microcrawlers from 1 to 18th to 1 to 24th scale. Trucks in stock condition as well as highly modified and upgraded ones. The trucks have to pass through 10 different tests. We'll get either points for their results or their performance will be graded, and the final scores will reveal the most capable microcrawlers. We check their climbing ability, descent performance, their tilt angle, their performance in overcoming easy and difficult obstacles, and their low speed modulation and low speed driving performance. Check the description for details of tests, scores, and mode of grading. Now let's start and present this episode's test trucks. In MCCT episode 22, we will test the Racent 1 to 24th Jeep, which is also sold as Volantex RC Exhobby. The Racent 1 to 24th Jeep has a wheelbase of 132 millimeters, a weight of 336 grams, and runs on tires with 55 by 17 millimeters. It has a lithium-ion battery with 2S and 380 milliamp hours and a 030 motor. And now let's check how the Racent Jeep can climb. Test 1. Climb on a rough surface. 45 degrees. Seems not super easy for the Racent. And 46 degrees. Unbelievable. That's not steep at all. But the Racent is struggling. 46 degrees. Too much. Only 45 degrees and 0 points in test 1. Climb on a rough surface. That's super poor. Only place 37 out of 39 trucks tested so far. And test 2. Climb on a smooth surface. Again, only 45 degrees seem to be difficult for the Racent. 46 degrees, it was not able to climb 46 degrees on a rough surface. However, on a smooth surface, with a little bit of slipping, it is able to climb 46 degrees and 47 degrees. No. And it only can climb 46 degrees. That's only 1 point at test 2, climb on a smooth surface. And that's only place 36 out of 39 trucks tested so far. And now let's check how good it is in going down, stop, and go up in reverse again. Test 3, going down, stop, and go up in reverse again. 45 degrees, not easy for the Racent. 46 degrees, again in problems, but after several tries it could do it. And 47 degrees, super bad low speed modulation, super hard stop, so impossible for the Racent. So on test 3, 46 degrees and only 0.5 points for this, and that's only place 32 out of 39 trucks tested so far. And now let's check how the Racent's tilt angle is to the left and to the right. So test 4, tilt angle to the left, 38.5 degrees and 3.25 points for this. And test 5, tilt angle to the right, 37 degrees only and 2.5 points. And that's place 31 out of 39 trucks tested so far. And now let's check how the Racent can climb. Test 6. The flat side of the hill of branches. It can do it, but with a little bit of problems. Not super easy. for the Racent, so 1.5 out of 2 points at test 6, the flat side of the hill of branches. Test number 7, the steep side of the hill of branches, probably the most difficult test or obstacle of MCCT, microcrawler capability tests. And it's too difficult for the Racent. Countless tries, but it is not able to do it. So 0 points out of 10 at test number 7, the steep side of the hill of branches. We come to test number 8, the flat side of the hill of pebble stones. No problem at all, good performance of the Racent crawler and 2 out of 2 points in test number 8. And test number 9, the steep side of the hill of pebble stones. Super difficult obstacle. The Racent tries and tries, but finally no chance at all, not even near. So 0 out of 10 points at test number 9, the steep side of the hill of pebble stones. And finally to test number 10, low speed performance modulation. The Racent is super noisy ESC whining, but we do not judge noise here. Low speed modulation is not good at all. It's jumpy and hard to go really slow. It's not super bad, but as you can see here, it's far from good. So 1.5 out of 5 points for its performance in test number 10, low speed performance and modulation. And we come to the final score of MCCT episode 22, the Racent 1 to 24th cheap. Here you can see all tests and all points gained again. The Racent doesn't have really good results in any tests. So a quite or very poor performance all in all, only 12.25 points, and this out of 39 trucks tested so far is only place 37. Here you can see all 39 trucks tested so far again, and here in a bit more detail, and you see the Racent under the last trucks. Very similar result to the SCX24 Bronco, which does also come with a hard body, and this does not help performance. So that's it for MCCT episode 22. But watch out for the next episode of microcrawler capability tests. There are still a lot of trucks to be tested. MCCT will be back.